How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. The message, Marketplace isn't available to you on Facebook, can pop up for a few reasons. It essentially means you can't access Facebook Marketplace, which is the platform's online buying and selling section. So to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you problem, first, let's make sure you haven't accidentally hidden the Marketplace tab in the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down all the way and tap Settings and Privacy. Select Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap Navigation bar. Choose Customize the bar. Look for Marketplace in the list. If it's not there, tap the drop-down menu next to it and select Pin. This should bring the Marketplace tab back to your app. If the issue persists, let's try accessing Marketplace through your phone's web browser. Here's what to do. Open any web browser on your phone. In the search bar, type facebook.com/marketplace and hit Enter. This should open the Facebook Marketplace directly in your web browser. Now you can browse listings or search for specific items. That's all you need to fix the Marketplace isn't available issue. By following these steps, you should be able to access Facebook Marketplace again. And this is how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. If you have any questions about Facebook Marketplace, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.